Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss how to find out factorial of a number. Every code or logic we write is related to mathematics. So if we know how to write a logic to find the factorial of a number, it is very easy for us to write code for finding the factorial of a particular number. So let us first find out the mathematical fun behind this factorial. So for example, if you consider 6, the factorial is represented as the not function in C language or C++ language. In mathematics, it is represented as not 6 factorial. So 6 factorial can be written like this: 6 into 5 into 4 into 2 into 1. So if you observe here, if you want to find out the factorial of a particular number, we are just multiplying the number starting from the number till 1. So if you know this logic, we can easily write the code. So here, as we are here multiplying the values from starting from 6 or from n to 1, here I am writing a for loop. For of I is equal to starting from n till 1. Till 1 means I greater than or equal to 1. And from 6 to 1 means here we are decrementing the value by 1. So here we will write I minus minus. So this for loop explains that this loop will run from the n value 6 to 1. Inside the loop, we should multiply all the values occurring from n to 1. So for that, initially I am initializing the value of n to a particular variable c, integer variable c. So in c I am having 6. This 6 should be multiplied with 5. So here this 6 should be multiplied with 5. 5 means what is the value of 5 here? It will be I. But here I have initialized the value of I to 6 and not to 5. So here we will write I is equal to n minus 1. And the I value will be obviously 5. So we will multiply the value of 6 with 5. N into n minus 1. That's it. And we will store the final value in C. And this will be the first iteration. So in the first iteration, the C value stores 6 into, C value is already 5, I value is n minus 1, that is 5. So C stores 6 into 5. And for the second iteration, the I value will be 4. Here I value is 5, and for the value I value 4, C value will be, what is the previous value of C? Previous iteration value 6 4s are 30. So 30 is stored in C. Now this 30 is multiplied with I minus 1. What is the value of I here? 4. In the same way, 6 into 5 into 4. This is for second iteration I is equal to 4. And for the third iteration I is equal to 3. The C value stores 6 into 5 into 4, which is the previous C value, and into I value is 3. In the same way, the loop repeats. So if you observe here, we are just simply multiplying two values, n into n minus 1, here 6 into 5, next 6 into 5 into 4, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, like that we are multiplying till 1. I is greater than or equal to 1. So till 1 we will multiply, we will repeat this loop by decrementing for each and every iteration. This is the logic behind finding the factorial of a given number. Hope you understood. Thank you.